Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get customer-wise sales in Tally. First, open Tally Prime and ensure your sales entries are accurately recorded. This report is crucial for understanding your top customers and identifying sales trends. We will walk through the steps to generate a detailed sales analysis, helping you make informed business decisions. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes to complete, providing valuable insights into your customer base. To begin, navigate to the gateway of Tally. From there, select Display More Reports to reveal additional reporting options. Next, choose Account Books and then click on Sales Register. This section is your primary hub for all sales-related data, offering a chronological list of every sales invoice. It's a foundational step to drill down into specific customer information, providing a clear starting point for your analysis. Once in the sales register, press the F8 key to access the columnar report options. Here, you will find a setting to show customer name. Ensure you select Yes for this. This action will add a dedicated column for customer names, making it easy to identify individual sales. To view a more detailed breakdown for each customer, simply press Alt plus F1. This expands the report, showing specific transaction details. With your customer-wise sales report generated, take time to analyze the data. Look for trends, identify your most valuable customers, and understand their purchasing habits. You can easily export this report to various formats, such as Excel or PDF, by pressing Alt plus E for export. This allows for further manipulation and sharing of the data. Leveraging these insights can significantly enhance your sales strategies and customer engagement efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.